Do small dents on two-stroke exhaust affect the engine? So the answer is yes, but sometimes they can positively affect the engine. Was it Motocross Action? Some magazine did a write-up about this years back, and they actually figured out that sometimes dents in your two-stroke pipe can improve your power. If it's a big dent that's like clearly restricting flow, then yeah, you want to get that fixed or replaced. Small dents, no, you don't need to worry about them. However, in the four-stroke head pipes, if you have dents in those, it definitely causes problems. You definitely don't want to leave. You don't want to run one of those with dents. But two-stroke pipes, you'll see some of these hard enduro guys, they freaking 20 dents all over that pipe by the end of the race. It's just the way it goes. On the two strokes, as long as it's not some huge dent really affecting your flow, you don't really need to worry about it, man. You're in good shape.